Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix cannot find script file maintenance.vbs in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step is here at the desktop screen. Please do a right click, scroll down and go with new and go with text document. Okay, so here in the text document, just have to double tap it. Okay, and you need to type for this wscript.quit. Okay, so let me just type wscript dot quit. Once you have typed it, you need to click on files and then click on saved. And once you have saved it, just have to close this window and you need to rename this new text document. How you can do that here, you need to do a right click, click this rename icon and rename that maintenance dot vbs. Then click on enter. Once done, you need to copy this control C. Just have to do a right click and click this copy icon, or you can simply press control C to copy and then proceed on your file explorer. So simply open your file explorer. Once you have opened it, you need to proceed on your C drive. Click on your Windows, and here you need to scroll down and look for System 32. Okay, so once it is here, just have to double tap. And here in this area, you need to do a right click and click the spaced icon. Okay, so click on continue and wait until this will be done. Okay. So once it is being added here, just have to close this window and then you need to restart your computer. So once you have restarted it, check if your problem has been fixed, okay? So that is the step on how to fix your problem. If you think this video helps, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.